Sermon number 162. Reasons for keeping himself away from the Caliphate. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. A brother of Banu Asad. Your girth is loose and you have put it on the wrong way. Nevertheless you enjoy in-law kinship and also the right to ask, and since you have asked, listen. As regards the oppression against us in this matter, although we were the highest as regards descent and the strongest in relationship with the Messenger of Allah, it was a selfish act over which the hearts of people became greedy, although some people did not care for it. The arbiter is Allah, and to him is the return on the day of judgment. Now leave this story of devastation about which there is hue and cry all round. And let me know the story of what happened to the riding camels. Come and look at the son of Abu Sufyan, Muawiyah. Time has made me laugh after weeping. No wonder, by Allah, what is this affair which surpasses all wonder and which has increased wrongfulness? These people have tried to put out the flame of Allah's light from his lamp and to close his fountain from its source. They mixed epidemic-producing water between me and themselves. If the trying hardships were removed from among us, I would take them on the course of truthfulness otherwise, so let not thyself go, in vain, in grief for them. Verily Allah knoweth all that they do.